Hi guys, today we are going to be doing a Beyblade video, and yes, finally I got this Beyblade Stadium, because before I used the blue Infinity Nada one, and yes, it's a Beyblade Stadium. We are going to be using Victory Valtryek and Doomsizer D2, or should I say D2 and V2. So, let's get straight into it. Round 1. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh, they're taking big hits, but which one's going to win? Oh, come on. And Doomsizer won that by a split second. Yes, let's go to the next round. So, Doomsizer, go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh, wow. So, it looks like they're both taking tiny taps. Oh, Valtryek's going to win. Yeah! Valtryek won by a burst finish. Who knows which one's going to be the next winner? Last round. So, let's put Valtryek, Doomsizer back together. And boom. And take Valtryek, Doomsizer, launch. Round 3. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Ah, smooth. And yeah, okay. So Valtryek looks like it's hard, but I think Doomsizer's resisting it. And Valtryek went down with a smash. So that was that. Thank you for watching my Beyblade video, and yeah, that was Victory Valtryek V2 or Doomsizer D2, and yeah, thanks for watching, bye!